Hello YouTube, thought I'd do a quick video here. This is kind of like an update video. I've had some people email me and ask me, hey, what's the status of this project or this or that? So I'm going to kind of give you a little rundown what's going on. Like I've said in my other videos, when I say, if you're interested in this, please come to my website and sign up. By doing that, it lets me know if I should keep going forward with the project idea. So with that being said, I'll post this link in the description below. But if you're interested in the repeater ID fox hunt / announcement that does not use a Raspberry Pi, it does not use a computer, it uses an MP3 file. I did a video about this. I had a little prototype. But if you're interested in that, you got to come to this website. You would click on it and you would sign up with your email address. It takes 2 seconds. I know a lot of people don't like to sign up for things, but this lets me know if I should keep going with this. And then you sign up with your email, and then that lets me know on my end, hey, I have enough people that are interested. I'll keep going with this. Same with the weather alert or, any other boards that you see on here. Some of them I did not have enough people, so they're slowly, if you click on one, it will tell you if I'm still doing it or not. But like the weather alert board, if you go to page 2, it's here. You can click on that one. You can read about it. You can sign up and get notified if that's something that you're interested in. I have a lot of ideas, but it's just a matter if there's, people that are interested in. Same with my repeater rack. If that's something you're interested in, go and sign up for it. Or the fan mod for the TYT or RT radios. There's also that in my other interface board. So if you're not sure, always come to here because I will update this page faster than me making a video. So I just kind of want to point that out. And like I said, if I don't get enough people that are interested, then unfortunately I cannot go with the project. So it's very important that you sign up. It only takes a second. You put your first name and your email address, that's it. And that lets me know on my end there's people interested, and you'll get an email when it becomes available. So, keep that in mind. And also, too, I like to mention, now since I got this 3D printer, all of my projects from here on forward, whether it's a new interface board I come up with or it's an old one, will come with a enclosure box that is 3D printed. Okay. But I have, if you bought one of my older interface boards and you want to buy a box for it, I have a spot on the store for that. This store is going to have all the information that you may be looking for. So come and check it out. I'll post a link down below so you can see what you may be interested in. Please sign up. And if you have any suggestions or maybe there's a particular board you'd like to see, post in the comments below. Maybe if there's something that's enough people that might be interested, it may come to light. But I don't know unless I get feedback from you guys. So, at any rate, any questions or comments, please post them down below. Please subscribe. Thank you, and have yourself a good day.